My dear friends, I'm here to remind you, you are not a failure. You are not a failure, you are a warrior. When you fail at something, it only means that you have tried something new. When you fail at something, it only means that you have moved on uncharted path. When you fail at something, it only means that you are exploring the dimensions beyond your limit and creating and solidifying the path for future generation. Trying something new, moving on uncharted path, exploring new dimensions and creating and solidifying the path for future generation. These all are qualities of the warriors, not failures. Failures are those who never tried new things. Failures are those who never gone beyond their own limits. Failures are those who are sitting in their comfort zone. I am inspired by this line. मंजिल तो मिल जाएगी भटकते ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Never let your failures define you. Never let your failures break you. Rather make your failures as a stepping stone and achieve the greatest height in your life. Your failures matter as much as your success. How do you think you are going to grow if you never ever fail? Failures help you to know your weaknesses, to know your limitations. Failures help you to evolve and achieve your full potential. So fail early, fail often and fail forward. Till you are learning from your failures, every failure will be the blessing for you. Till you are learning from your failures, every failure will be stepping stone for you. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, never mind these failures, these little backslidings. Hold the idol 1,000 times, and if you fail 1,000 times, make the attempt once more. Make your failure as a fuel for future to grow to advance. Wear the scars of failure as a crown on your head and feel proud and say, my failures are the divine message that I am trying something new. I am moving beyond my capacity, exploring new dimensions and creating and solidifying the path for future generation. And that's why I am a warrior, not a failure. I am a warrior, not a failure. And that's true. You are a warrior, you are not a failure. You are a warrior, you are not a failure.